I am feeling I am a 12 or 11-year-old. I am wearing the Radharani's all remnants, cloth, ornament, or everything. Radharani's remnant. And what I am doing? This I am telling this progress. By this progress, I will find the Rupa Goswamiji's instructions, teaching. So morning time I am feeling, and then I am making a very nicely this paste and flower paste and then sandal, kumkum. According the both is sleeping, both meeting time, meeting Surat symbol is Radharani's and Shyam Sundar's body. She is knowing? How she is knowing Manjari? Because Manjari is automatically divine couple meeting reflection, that body. So automatically she is knowing. Then she is very well knowing which meeting symbol, which way I am removing, that already is ready to before my divine couple. Oh my God, this is it. You are not calling me because my topic will not complete well. Okay, done this. So every plate, my golden plate is ready, and brush, comb, Radharani's cloth, everything I have ready. And then before Lalita, Vishakha, Chitra, Champak, Latas, morning time I am explaining for that group went house, morning time my katha. So I am telling this Manjari have asankochita seva. Asankochita seva means no any hesitation for divine couple seva. Both is meeting and then entering. Even Lalita Vishakha can't enter this Nibrita Nikunja, but Manjari is entering this Nibrita Nikunja. That is this process Rupa Goswamiji gave us. That this is a topmost Rupa Goswamiji mercy upon us. So I am entering and then telling, oh Shri Kishori Jo, now time is going, please walk up, please walk up. My very nice, very hardly my divine couple walk up. And how is walk up? Like this. But some Rup Manjari is doing, Radharani is removing very nicely, very setting hair, chundri, and cloth. And then some Manjari also doing Krishna's seva. Because very quickly, all Sakhis is waiting for outside. And very eager they are, eager. And then very nicely, deeply remove everything. Why? Well, because any symbol is there, and then Lalita Vishakha looking, and then, oh, Sri Kishoji, today you are meeting with Shyam Sundar and teaching my Vrishabhananandani. Then I can't tolerate anybody person is teaching my Kishoriji. No, I can't. So very nicely decorative and then giving signal. Then signal according, then all Lalita, Vishakha, Chitra, Champak, Lata entering in Nibrita Nikunja gate and doing Mangala Shri Guru Gaura Mangalam. This ultimatum coming, maybe I don't want offense. I have so lot of this teaching is coming. If what this process doing my bhajan, surely no doubt in this way, in this birth I will get Rupanuga post. Sure, no doubt in this way. If I am 24 hours involved this type of sadhan bhajan, I have no time looking here, looking there, that Kiriti or talk, no, I have no time. My Ashtyam Leela, Ashtyam's Radharani Seva is going. Then how I am going here and there? So, please excuse me, by this process, very easily, quickly get Rupa Goswamiji's umbrella. Rup Manjari's lotus feet, Radharani Seva. Please excuse me, I am coming different topic and different topic. Please excuse me. If you are not understand, if you have any question asking, I will try to solve Gurudev's causeless mercy. If you understand, that is my Gurudev.
Does anybody have any questions?
Anybody have? You have? Okay. Then this Harikatha is not question Harikatha. Yeah.
I have a question. So there is a Manjari, Sakhi, Sanctuary. So there is a sequence or
Yeah. This question is okay. Anybody is using Manjari word? Anybody using Sahajari word? Anybody using Dasi word? Anybody using Paladasi? But my Rupa Goswami ji using only Paladasi word. Paladasi. Paladasi means Radharani protecting to that Dasi. All time Dasi protecting to Radharani. How Radharani protecting to Dasi? Very sweet, very quickly I am telling a what sweet pastime. Once a time Radharani coming from Nandgaon. Nandgaon four direction. Radharani is coming that direction and sitting bank of Pavan Sarovar. That Pavan Sarovar including Nandgaon. But Manjari is not, Rati Manjari is not knowing what happened. Or only Kishore is sitting as like this. She is not knowing what is going here. But what going? Shyam Sundar already sitting that tree. The tree's reflection coming in water. And Radharani meeting and looking Shyam Sundar's Rup Manjari. And Shyam Sundar looking Radharani's physical Rup Manjari. Okay? This sweet pastime is going. And but Manjari is not knowing Rati Manjari, and she is coming and very quickly wash the water, and then water shift, and this is shadow gone. And then Radharani is so much, never like this chastise to Rati Manjari. First time like this chastise. Rati Manjari is thinking, what happened? Never is this nature, I didn't see what happened. Then little water is stable, and then again this shadow is coming. Oh, now Rati Manjari is very happy. Oh, this way. Immediately Rupa Manjari coming from there. And Rati Manjari is very far away. Please don't touch this water, please. What happened? Come here. I am telling everything. She Rupa Manjari telling, Rati Manjari telling to Rupa Manjari. And then at last, Rati Manjari catching behind to Shyam Sundar from the tree. And both is meeting. And Nauka Vihar, how many times. So I am telling how Radharani protecting to Manjari. Okay. So whole day Rati Manjari not eating. Very anger with Vishwabhanu Nandani, but not showing. This word anger and that spiritual anger is totally different. Totally. Please, we should try to understand by this character. So Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari is not eating, not taking breakfast, lunch, afternoon meals, nothing. In night time, Radharani took dinner prasad, and then she is ready to go in Abhisar signal place, for meeting signal place. But that time Rupa Manjari is crying, tears coming. Radharani told her, Rup, are you crying? Yes, Shamaju. Well, what happened? Why crying? Then Rup Manjari said, Rup telling, Sri Shamaju, morning to up till Rati Manjari can't eat anything. Well, what? Well, yes. Shri Radharani is calling Rati, but Shri Rati Manjari done want with Kishori. Not talking, not. This is a very internal, I'm so sorry, I am explaining. This Rupa Manjari very forcibly taking Rati Manjari, and she, Radharani taking the Rati Manjari's body and sitting on lap, on hand, Sri Kishoreji giving to Rati Manjari Prasad, and then so much love and so lot of love. That type of protecting, Radharani protecting Manjari. Are you understand my mood? So try to follow this type of sadhan bhajan easily and sure, perfect. Get Rupa Goswami's footprint. Okay, please excuse me. Please excuse me. I'm coming another mood and then explain. Okay, Radhe Radhe Tandava.
Speaking according to your inspiration.
This is my Gurudev.
Okay, thank you very much.
You are giving minimum 1 hour to me, then I am speaking.